Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure XAMPP 8.2 on AlmaLinux operating system. Open any web browser, then go to Apache Friends. .org to download XAMPP. See, XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment and is a completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP and Perl. Okay, so click on XAMPP for Linux to download the XAMPP and its version is 8.2.12. Click on it, go to this page. See, in 5 seconds it is going to download. See, download has been started and its size is 153 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See, here we have the XAMPP 8.2 run file. First we have to grant execute permissions. Sudo chmod +x, then give the XAMPP file name. Give XAMPP and tap enter. Now install XAMPP. Sudo // then give the XAMPP run file name. Hit enter. Click on next. See, by default it has selected XAMPP core files and optionally we can select or unselect this XAMPP developer files. I am going to select XAMPP developer files as well. So keep the checkbox as it is and click on next. See, it is going to install XAMPP on this /opt and lamp. Click on next. Ready to install, so click on next. See, installation has been started. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. See, installation completed. Keep the checkbox, that is launch XAMPP control panel. Even if you uncheck, and we can launch the control panel. Select this checkbox as it is and click on finish. See, this is the XAMPP server. Click on manage servers. See, here we have these 3 servers: MySQL database, ProFTPD and Apache web server. Let us start the first one, that is Apache web server, and click on the start button. See, it is failed to start, but we are able to start ProFTPD and MySQL. Let me start both, then I will show you how to start this Apache web server. See, both the services are started. So to start Apache web server, we have to run the command sudo. See, this command is if you are unable to start the Apache web server. So sudo enf install libnsl. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Then provide the password. Type and hit enter. We have successfully installed. So now select the Apache web service and click on start. Now it is starting. So we have successfully started. Remove this downloaded XAMPP file, XAMPP run file. Remove RM and give the run file. Hit enter to clear the space. Control N. Now go to Firefox, new tab, then give localhost. Hit enter. See, if we got this welcome to XAMPP page, which means we have successfully installed XAMPP on AlmaLinux. Okay, and see here, welcome to XAMPP for the Linux 8.2.12, and it is the combination of Apache, MariaDB, PHP and Perl. If you want to see the PHP version, click on PHP info. See, we have installed PHP version 8.2.12 and these are other options. Okay, close this one. Now go to phpMyAdmin. See, here we have these default databases comes with installation of XAMPP. If you want to create new database, click on new, then provide the database name. Then click on create. See, new database after schools is there. Still, if you want to create one more database, click on new or select query. If you select query, it is going to run queries against this one. Suppose if you select it, see, database name is changed to RTSQL because we have highlighted this one. Now create a database, create database by using SQL statement. R2, click on, then click on submit query. See, it is success. Refresh here. See, new database RTSQL is there. You want to create table, create table, select it and click on submit query. We have successfully created database. We are unable to find, so click on refresh. See, here we have the one table in this database. If you want to verify the version of the database, select version, then click on submit query. See, we have installed MariaDB 10.4. Again, if you want to go to localhost or welcome page, just give localhost. See, you got the same page. Now we will create the sample PHP file and execute. Go to terminal, cd, go to install directory /opt lamp ls, then go to htdocs ls. See, here we have the index.php. Let me give this index.php. If we give the index.php, it will also be redirected to this page only. Index.php. See, we got the same page. So let us create a sample PHP file. Sudo vi press I to insert mode, then provide the PHP tags. Put semicolon after each statement. I'm going to provide new line break. I'm going to print sum of two numbers. Save the file, escape, :wq, exclamation, hit enter. Now go to here, replace this dashboard with the file, the page file that we have created. Hit enter. See, we got the same lines. Okay, so this is the way to create and execute PHP scripts. Now we will see what will happen if we stop the Apache web server. Go to control panel, stop this Apache web server. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, so to run any PHP scripts, the Apache server must be up. So click on start again. Now reload the page. See, we are able to get the output. Okay, the last option that I am going to show you is, suppose if you close this XAMPP control panel, again you want to open, you can't see anything in show applications for the XAMPP. Okay, so for that we have to go to cd opt lamp directory ls. See, here we have manager-linux x64.run file and lamp. Okay, we can use either of them. So give the sudo .manager-linux x64.run. Hit enter. See, we got the same control panel. Go to manage servers. See, here we have all the services. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure XAMPP 8.2 on AlmaLinux OS. For more Linux or PHP tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.